Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today we have something special for all you kitchen enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of elegance and functionality with the AIMADI single handle faucet for kitchen sink with LED light. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen, you're in the right place. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's jump right in. The AIMADI black and brushed nickel kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer sounds sleek and modern, especially with the LED light feature. Single-handle faucets are convenient for easy temperature and flow adjustment, and the pull-down sprayer adds versatility for various kitchen tasks like washing dishes or filling pots. Black and brushed nickel make for a stylish combination that can complement a variety of kitchen aesthetics. Here are some of the specific features I love about the AIMADI single-handle faucet for kitchen sink with LED light. This high-quality kitchen faucet black features a two-tone matte black and brushed nickel finish that is both stylish and durable and perfect for busy kitchens. The multi-function design offers a pot filler to fill large pots quickly and easily, as well as a pre-rinse sprayer to blast away tough food residue in seconds. This LED kitchen faucet black has many built-in generating electricity devices. Color of LED lights changes automatically via water temperature. Faucet for kitchen sink LED works by water flow. No battery is needed. Turn off the water. The light goes out immediately. The color changes according to the water temperature. The open coil spring spout is flexible and functional faucet for kitchen sink with a heavy-duty open coil spring spout for an industrial look, while the stainless steel pulls down the hose and 3/6 swiveling high arc spout give you plenty of clearance for all your cooking needs. Enjoy great functionality with a one-function pull-down kitchen faucet sprayer and a separate pot filler spout. This pull-out faucet allows you to handle all types of tasks. The spray head and stream spout can swivel around 360 degrees for full sink access, and the pre-rinse black kitchen faucet ensures high pressure while still saving on water. Practical design. The lock and bracket design provides more convenience and safety. When you wash the dirty dishes, you do not have to hold the bar constantly to use it. You can use the lock to open the spray and support the spray with the bracket to release your hands. Therefore, you can wash the dish cleaner with your hands. Even there is a large plate. Handling the plate with your hands will be much safer. Pros and cons of the AIMADI single-handle faucet for kitchen sink with LED light. Pros: modern design, pull-down sprayer, single-handle, LED light, durable construction. Cons: limited finish options, power source. Overall, the AIMADI black and brushed nickel kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer seems like a decent option for those looking for a stylish and functional faucet at a potentially good price point. However, due to the lesser-known brand and lack of user reviews on long-term durability, it might be wise to consider these potential drawbacks before making a purchase. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the AIMADI single-handle faucet for kitchen sink with LED light. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement videos.